Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we are going to discuss about the Rhone Valley. This is the fifth most important wine region of France which is important. तो आइए देख लेते हैं Rhone Valley. It takes its name from the Rhone River. So Rhone Valley का जो नाम है वो एक Rhone River which is flowing from the Switzerland Alps to through the valley and then finally going into the Mediterranean Sea. So that is why the valley name is the Rhone Valley, because of the Rhone River. And this valley is divided into two parts, northern Rhone and the southern Rhone. In the northern Rhone, the vineyards are located on the steep slopes, so it is basically hilly area, and southern Rhone is plain area. There is a difference in the climate. In the northern Rhone, the climate is continental, that means the summer is hot and in winter it is hard cold. And in the southern Rhone, the climate is Mediterranean, so it is kind of moderate climate. From the northern Rhone we get most expensive, most premium wines which you will find in the wine list. There are mainly 5 to 6 main appellations which are more important. तो आइए उनको देख लेते हैं कौन कौन सी नॉर्दर्न रोन की मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव और मोस्ट वेल नोन एप्लेशंस हैं. नंबर वन इज़ द कोतरोती. कोतरोती आपको सभी वाइन लिस्ट में मिल जाएगी अगर रॉन वैली की वाइन वहाँ पर अवेलेबल है. तो दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी फेमस एंड इट इज़ मेड फ्रॉम द सिरा. इनका जो सिरा है रॉन वैली का, जो शिराज ग्रेप है जिसको ऑस्ट्रेलिया में शिराज बोलते हैं, फ्रांस में सिरा बोलते हैं, this is a unique grape. It has a unique concentrated flavors. So from this area the Syrah is totally different, so it is totally next level. So the Kotreti Syrah is a very important appellation. After that, and it is on the northern most. तो अगर आप इसका मैप देखेंगे, it is on the northern side. Then we have the Condrieu. Condrieu is below the Kotroti and it is 100% white grape which is Viognier. They use Viognier and they also make very very famous and expensive white wine there. Viognier is also world famous. So this Kotroti and Condrieu from the northern Rhone is very very famous. Then number third पे इसके नीचे हमारे पास है the appellation that is the Chateaubriand. Chateaubriand is also 100% Viognier and the winery, the appellation is on the steep slopes. Chateaubriand जो है वो कॉन्ड्रियो के अंदर लोकेटेड है. सो इट इज़ अ स्मॉल एरिया विच इज़ ओन्ड बाय अ पर्टिकुलर wine maker and the whole area is belongs to him. So all the wines which is made in this area is also an appellation and it is also an area. Then we can talk about the Hermitage. Hermitage is also a famous appellation. They make by the blend of red and some white. They can use Syrah, Marsanne, Roussanne blend and it is located on the hills overlooking the Rhone river. इसके बाद में Crozet Hermitage है. Crozet Hermitage is also a blend of Syrah, Marsanne, Roussanne blend and it is also located on the hills. The corners which you see at the bottom is very important and interesting appellation. It is the smallest, one of the smallest appellation in the northern Rhone. The vineyards are located on the southeast facing slopes which is protecting the vines from the heavy wind coming from the north. The appellation is using Syrah grape, so it is 100% Syrah grape and all the wines made are red. Now we can see what is the important factors in the southern Rhone. Southern Rhone की साइड में जब हम जाते हैं, the area, the valley gets widen और more plain area है वहाँ पर and there is a heavy wind because of which these plants might be damaged, the wine plants. That is why they are located away from the river. तो अगर आप northern Rhone में देखेंगे, the vines are planted near the river, but in southern part they are planted away from the river in such places where this heavy wind could not harm them. And southern Rhone doesn't start right from where the northern Rhone finishes. So it is about 1 hour drive from there, from the place where the southern Rhone vineyards start. There are few patches in between, 1 or 2 vineyard in between, but most of the vineyards are located away from the northern Rhone. It has a Mediterranean climate, hot sunny days and complemented with heavy cold wind blowing down from the Alps which help cool down the grapes and retain acidity. Heavy wind sometimes may rip the wine plant, therefore best vineyards are located in the partially sheltered pockets of land and low pruned vines. So the vines are low pruned, they are cut down near the ground so that this heavy wind could not damage them. Vineyards are located 20 to 30 miles away from the river towards the more flatter land. तो आइए देख लेते हैं what are the most important appellation in the southern part of Rhone. So number one we have Côtes de Rhone. These are simple inexpensive wines and they can be white, red, rosé, and if it is red there can be a blend of Syrah, Grenache, Mourvedre, and if it is a white it can be a blend of Viognier, Marsanne, Roussanne. These grapes can be blended and make this wine. So these are the simple inexpensive wines, whereas we have the second category in the same Côtes de Rhone which are called Côtes de Rhone villages. So if the label says villages, that means these are little bit more premium than Côtes de Rhone because they are from a specific village, one of the villages of Côtes de Rhone. So these are so basically there are three categories. There is one more Côtes de Rhone village. If the village name is mentioned on the label, that means these are the most premium of Côtes de Rhone category. So there are three category. One is just simple, the label says Côtes de Rhone. The second is when the label says Côtes de Rhone villages, and third category when Côtes de Rhone there is village name is mentioned, that means it is from the specific village. Number three we can discuss, that is the Beaumes du Vannis. Beaumes du Vannis is a small area. Here you can see they are producing white fortified wines and they are famous for their white fortified wines made of muscat. So the muscat the Beaumes du Vannis, this is the wines which are famous for the fortified wines. Number three is the Girondas. Girondas is mostly red, made from Grenache, Syrah, Mourvedre, and producing some rosé as well. Number four we have here Châteauneuf-du-Pape, and it is one of the most famous appellation because of the name is interesting. There is a story behind this, that when the papacy moved to the Pope John 22nd, he had his residence in the area, and this resident known as the new home of Pope. So literal mean of Châteauneuf-du-Pape is the new home of Pope, and because Pope liked the growing wine and he had his own vineyards and he promoted wines, so the name is become famous as Châteauneuf-du-Pape, and it is a wine which is made by blending 18 different grape varieties. So there are different grapes are used in making of this Châteauneuf-du-Pape blend, and it is very very famous from the southern Rhone. Then we have number five, that is the Tavel. Tavel is famous for its rosé. They have very bright intense salmon pink color rosé, and these can be found in many wine lists, and you must know this rosé because it is one of the famous rosé of France. So thank you so much guys. If you have any question you can write in the comments below. So these were the most important appellations, wines and grapes of southern and northern Rhone. Thank you so much.